Now going back to an earlier topic, Usain Bolt was back home in rural Trelawny today, putting a smile on residents' faces. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The most high profile of the SSL fraud victims is the legendary Usain Bolt. And while the eyes of the nation shifted back to the SSL saga on Saturday after the arrest and charge of 3 former executives, here was Usain Bolt on Sunday, eyes fixed on these residents of his hometown Sherwood Content in Trelawny. Many of these residents did not have a Christmas this year as they were victims of Hurricane Melissa. And like he has done many times over the years, he has again come to their aid.
Especially after Melissa, as you can see, or you have heard, the community still don't have any light. So you see us here trying to light up the kids' world, bringing gifts, care packages.
It just shows how important it is to show up for people, especially in time of need. And you know, we've over the years, Usain has been fostering a culture of generosity and giving back and showing up in very meaningful and tangible ways. Persons traveled as far as from Montego Bay, persons who are here from Top Trelawny, Falmouth, surrounding areas. You had individuals here from Manchester.
In the early days of the SSL saga, attorneys representing the legendary Olympian indicated that $12.7 million US, or nearly 2 billion Jamaican dollars, was fleeced from Usain Bolt's account. In the coming days, Usain Bolt will again be parting with large sums of cash, but this time he's doing so willingly to repair the Valencia Infant and Primary School. It is a race he's eager to win in time for the reopening of school a few days away.
I know Usain has committed to repair the school, so hopefully that also can be done quickly enough and everybody can return to school and continue to rise up. So I said to the citizens, hold firm.
We spoke with some of the beneficiaries, many given food supplies, sports competition gear and household supplies.
God bless him and store him basket that he continue to do discovery every year. And thank him very much.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.